Hi friend, the point of today's lecture is acyl nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is one of the most important reaction in organic chemistry. Sometimes it also known as a nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. In this reaction, we have to understand how convert one carboxylic acid derivative to another carboxylic acid derivative.
In the acyl nucleophilic substitution reaction, the acyl group like R, C, double bond O, these are the group. This group is known as acyl group. Acyl group. In the acyl nucleophilic substitution reaction, the carboxylic acid like suppose these are the if you have this group as a OH group, then this whole molecule act as a carboxylic acid group. Okay. The carboxylic acid and their derivatives like acid halide, amide, esters, anhydrides are called acyl compounds. Okay. The nucleophilic substitution of the group like OH, Cl, NH2, OR and OCOR. The group like OH called as acid, acid chloride, acid amide, ester and anhydride groups. Okay. The carboxylic acid and their derivative like acid halide, amide, esters, anhydrides are called as acyl compound. The nucleophilic substitution of the group like OH, Cl, NH2, OR and OCOR attached to the acyl group, okay, this group are called as acyl nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, one example, they suppose CH3 C double bond O Cl, that is acid chloride, reacted in presence of NH3 to form CH3 C double bond O NH2 with elimination of HCl. In this reaction, the chloride ions is replaced by or substituted by amide ion to form acid chloride to acid amide with elimination of HCl molecules. Okay. This reaction can be proceeded through by two steps. The step first, there is nucleophilic addition to the carbonyl group of the acyl compound. In the step first, nucleophile attack to the carbonyl group of acyl compound to form tetrahedral intermediate known as oxyanion is formed through a transition state. Okay. The step first, that is R C double bond O X group. X means that is halide groups reacted in presence of Z, it known as nucleophiles. Substrate, these are the nucleophiles. Reacted nucleophiles electron rich centered species act as electron donor toward the electron deficient centers. In these molecules, the carbon oxygen is more electronegative, therefore this acquire del negative. Carbon is more electropositive, therefore carbon acquire del positive. This positive indicate electron deficient, negative indicate electron rich. Nucleophile attack toward the electron deficient carbon atoms to form. Then this bonding electron shifted to the oxygen atoms to form tetrahedral transition state like R, C, Z, that is nucleophile, X leaving group or halide groups, O minus ions. This is transition state. This transition state gives the molecule like R, C, Z, O minus ions and X. The nature of this product is tetrahedral, therefore this is known as tetrahedral intermediate. In this step first, there is formation of tetrahedral intermediate. Step second, the tetrahedral intermediate like R, C, Z, X, O minus ion. Tetrahedral intermediate loses the leaving groups, that is X groups, which is assisted by the negative charge on the oxygen atoms. The oxygen contain negative charge, therefore oxygen is electron rich. This non-bonded electron coordinate with oxygen carbon atom to form a single to double bond. That times these leaving groups halide eliminate with its bonding pair of electron. हे दोन्ही इलेक्ट्रॉन घेऊन तो बाहेर पडेल and to form R, C, Z double bond O, X del negative, oxygen also del negative. TS proceed to form final product of this reaction, that is R, C double bond O, Z with elimination of X ion, that is X minus ions. The carbonyl group being planar can be easily attacked by the nucleophile. A relatively unhindered transition state is formed which lead to a tetrahedral intermediate. There is a tendency of oxygen atoms to acquire negative charge by gaining electrons. Due to this reason, the acyl substitution takes place more readily than at saturated carbon atoms. Then the first example, acid catalyzed esterification of carboxylic acid. In this, when the carboxylic acid RC double bond OH is reacted or replexed with alcohol ROH in presence of concentrated H2SO4 as well as HCl, this is a reversible reaction to give RC double bond OR. That means formation of acid to ester with elimination of water molecules. This esterification is a reversible reaction. The dehydrating acid used will be acid catalyzed esterification can be proceed with 3 steps. The step first, formation of carbocations. In this, the acid group like RC double bond OH carboxylic acid reacted in presence of acid, that is H plus and proton, to form R C double bond OH, oxygen contain positive charge, then OH. Okay. The oxygen is positive charge, therefore these oxygen containing non-bonded electron pair coordinate to form single to double bond, and this bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient oxygen atoms to form a resonating structure, that is R C OH double bond OH. This oxygen contain positive charge. Due to this oxygen used a non-bonded pair of electrons. That means it give one resonating structures. Then this bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient oxygen atoms to form one another resonating structure, that is R C OH OH. This carbon contain positive charge, that is known as carbocation. The step first one, formation of carbocation. In step second, the nucleophilic attack of alcohol. Step second, nucleophilic attack. Nucleophilic attack. The carbocation ion of step first, that is R C OH OH. This carbon contain positive charge, reacted with alcohol molecule like ROH. The oxygen contain non-bonded pair of electrons, act as a nucleophile, donate electron toward the electron deficient carbocation ion. To form R C OH, then OH R OH. This oxygen contain positive charge due to act as a electron donor toward the electron deficient carbocation, and therefore this oxygen have electron deficit, therefore this oxygen acquire positive charge. Then the positive charge means electron deficient species. This oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron abstract H plus ions, then this bonding electron shift to form compound R C OH2. Oxygen contain again positive charge OR OH. Okay. This is step second. Step third, the acyl O-bond fission take place, followed by elimination of water molecules. It is acyl O bond fission followed by elimination. Okay. The step second molecule like R C OH, oxygen contain OH2, oxygen contain positive charge, OR OH. In this OH bonded electron shifted toward the oxygen carbon atom to form single to double bond. That times this bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient oxygen atoms to form R C double bond O R with elimination of H3O positive hydronium ion. Okay, that is, these are the formation of ester as a final product of this reaction. This step second is a slow step, the rate determining step. Therefore, if either the acid or alcohol has bulky group, the rate is further decreased due to steric repulsion. Therefore, the step second is a slow step. The acid catalyzed esterification of carboxylic acid, it also known as AAC2 mechanisms. That is, acid catalyzed bimolecular acyl oxygen. Okay, meaning of this AAC2, acid catalyzed bimolecular acyl oxygen acid catalyzed hydrolysis of ester and esterification are the reverse of each others. That is, the mechanism of acid catalyzed esterification of acid catalyzed hydrolysis, but in reverse direction. Then second example, base catalyzed hydrolysis of ester, it also known as saponification. That is, base catalyzed hydrolysis of ester. The acid catalyzed hydrolysis is reversible and does not go to completion. The alkaline hydrolysis of ester to get sodium salt of acid and alcohol is called as saponification. It is not reversible. For example, like oil or fat is an ester of glycerol with long chain fatty acids. By alkaline hydrolysis, it gives sodium salt of fatty acids, that is also known as soap and glycerols. In the base catalyzed hydrolysis of ester, there is use of ester, and this ester reacted in presence of alkali, that is NaOH molecules, to form salt molecules with elimination of alcoholic molecules. Example, like the ester R C double bond O OR, it is general example, reacted in presence of NaOH alkali to form R C double bond O O Na, known as acid salt. Base catalyzed hydrolysis also known as BAC2 B, that is base catalyzed acyl oxygen bond fission bimolecular reaction. Okay. BAC2 mechanism of saponification. Then the mechanism of this reaction, in this step first, the R C double bond O OR the resistor reacted in presence of NaOH base. The ionic species of base ionize to form Na plus and OH minus ions. The OH minus ions act as a nucleophile, donate electron toward the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atoms, that is O del negative, carbon del positive. Therefore, del positive electron deficient, the negative charged electron donate toward the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atoms to form tetrahedral intermediate like R, C, O minus Na plus ion, OH, OR dash, that is formation of tetrahedral intermediate. In step second, the tetrahedral intermediate eliminate alkoxide ion, that is OR minus, by acyl O bond fission. Step second, the tetrahedral intermediate, that is R, C, O minus ion, Na plus ion, OH, OR. In this, the oxygen contain negative charge, act as a nucleophile, internal nucleophile, coordinate this non-bonded pair of electron with oxygen carbon atom to form a single to double bond. That times the OR, that is alkoxide ions, eliminate with its bonding pair of electrons to form R, C double bond O, OH with elimination of R dash O minus, this minus ions, that is electron rich abstract Na plus ions to form RO Na, formation of salt molecules in step second. Then step third, in step third, the alkoxide ion, that is OR minus, is highly basic ions, therefore it immediately accepts proton from the carboxylic acid, that proton transfer to form salt molecules. Okay. The step third molecules, the acid proton, that is R, C double bond O, OH, the alkoxide ion, that is highly basic ions, therefore these base fast abstract H plus from the acid molecules R, O, Na, O minus ions and Na plus ions. This O minus ions abstract H plus ions, then this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atoms to form R, C double bond O, O minus ions. This O minus ions again abstract Na plus ions to form O minus Na plus ions, mean formation of salt molecule with elimination of R dash OH, that is elimination of alcohol molecules. Okay. These are the three step mechanism of saponification reaction, that is base catalyzed hydrolysis of esters can be proceed with three step reaction. In this step first there is formation of tetrahedral intermediate by nucleophilic addition of OH minus ions. In the step second, the tetrahedral intermediate eliminate alkoxide ions, that is OR minus ions, by acyl O bond fission. And in the step third, the alkoxide ion, that is RO minus, is highly basic in nature. Therefore, the base always accept more highly acidic protons in the carboxylic acid. In step second, the H plus can be abstracted by the base to form salt molecules. Okay, these are the three-step base catalyzed hydrolysis of saponification reaction.